N5 to JLPT N4. This is lesson number 64. So today let's talk about this grammar pattern, ので. ので is used to give a reason or explain the cause of something. It is similar to because or since in English. Compared with から, it often sounds softer and more polite. So it means because, since, as. Grammar pattern is this. You can use plain form verbs, I-adjectives, na-adjectives, and nouns. But when you use na-adjectives and nouns, you need to add na before ので. So be careful when you use them. So these are some examples. 行くので means because I'm going. 暑いので means because it's hot. 静かなので because it's quiet. There is na because it's na adjective. 休みなので again this is noun, therefore you need to have na before ので. I will show you a few example sentences. I will relax at home because today is my day off. 今日は休みなので家でゆっくりします。After a noun, you need to have na before ので. Another one. The entrance fee is cheaper on weekdays, so we decided to visit on Monday. 平日は入場料が安いので月曜日に行くことにしました。So, this is the reason why we decided to visit on Monday. Therefore, you have to add ので to the reason sentence. Therefore, ので is attached to 安い cheap, I-adjective. So because it's cheap, we decided to visit on Monday. So make sure to add ので to a reason sentence. Now, let's look at the difference between ので and から. Both ので and から mean because. But here are some differences. から is more direct, often used in casual conversation, emphasizes the speaker's reason or opinion. But ので is softer and less direct, often used in polite explanations, sounds more objective. Basically, they both mean because. Now, I'd like you to do this exercise. Stop the video and translate the sentences. When you are ready, please come back. Now, the answers. The battery died, so the clock stopped. 電池が切れたので時計が止まりました。The battery is 電池。When the battery dies, we said 切れる。Therefore, 電池が切れる。Since this is past tense, change 切れる to 他 form and then add ので。So this is why the clock stopped. This is the reason sentence. Therefore, you need to add ので to the reason sentence. Second one. The road is narrow, so large vehicles cannot pass through. この道は狭いので大きな車は通れません。So this is the reason why large vehicles cannot pass through. Therefore, you need to add ので after this part. 狭い is I-adjective, therefore you can directly add ので. Last one. The museum is closed today, so we cannot enter. 美術館は今日閉まっているので中に入れません。So this is the reason why we cannot enter. This is the reason sentence. Therefore, you need to add ので to this reason sentence. closed is 閉まっている。So, ので is directly attached to 閉まっている。So now I will read the sentences, so please repeat after me. 電池が切れたので時計が止まりました。この道は狭いので大きな車は通れません。美術館は今日閉まっているので中に入れません。Very good job. So lastly, I have this homework for you. Translate the sentences into Japanese and put your answers in the comments below. This time I made it a little challenging. So, 頑張ってください。みんな今日もありがとう。I will see you again in the next lesson then. みんなまたね。バイバイ。